In this video, I will show you how to download Fortnite on your phone for free. Okay, step by step, I will make this video super easy for you guys. How you can download Fortnite to your phone and you can start playing Fortnite from your phone. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to go to your Google Chrome and click on the search over here and search for Fortnite Underweight. Okay, search for Fortnite Underweight like that, and you can see Epic Games over here. Click on the first link of Epic Games. It will take you to this page over here. Scroll down and click on download now. It will take you to this page. Click on download anyway and click on open. Click on install. So we just need to wait few seconds, then this Epic Games will be installed to your phone. As you can see, click on open. And as you can see over here, Fortnite Epic Games, click on get and click over here on install. Click on download and the Fortnite game will be installed to your phone. Okay, so I will get back to you guys when this download will be finished. And as you can see, my install was finished. So what you need to do is you just need to click on setting, okay, and click here on allow from this source. Click on this, you need to active this and click over here on I'm aware and click on OK and go back to your page. Click over here and go back to this page and click on install, and Fortnite will be installing to your phone. As you can see, you just need to wait few seconds. As you can see, Fortnite now is installing in my phone. Click over here on open and as you can see, Fortnite now is installed on my phone. Click here on OK, and as you can see, you need to download another file. Here is, you just need to click here on OK and this file will be downloaded to your phone. Then you can start playing Fortnite on your phone. Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can install Fortnite on your phone.